welcome to direct game upload tutorial. I'm going to be doing this daily, bringing out some different tutorials to help you guys in the community. Today's tutorial is adding more RAM to Minecraft, and this is it. So you won't actually need to load from here. This is to help lag. So if you don't have a high spec PC, then I suggest this is probably the best thing for you. Now, one thing that you have to kind of install is the 64-bit version of Java, and I'll show you that I have that installed. This is because this is what it works on. It works on kind of the 64-bit version. But yeah, like I said, it helps lag. It kind of helps when TNT is exploding. Now I'm just trying to look for programs and features there. There we go. So you can have the 32-bit installed, so make sure you have that installed from the Oracle website, and then install the 64-bit offline Oracle version. Links will be in the description. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need a new text document. So let's just delete this and delete this. The best way to do this is probably put your Minecraft on the desktop. It makes it more simple to find. It makes the kind of run process easier as well. So we're going to go ahead and take that code and make a new text document. It doesn't matter if it's called new text document, just open it up. Okay, so there's going to be a few things that you need to know. This code will be in the description. This is the basic code of opening your Minecraft with more RAM. The XMX is the kind of dedicated RAM you want to give, and then the XMS is the half of what you given it. So I'll put a list of like RAM codes below, but you obviously have 512, 124, then you've got 248, and you've got 3096. And the list goes on, but I'm only going to be using 2 GB of RAM because you need to kind of be wary of how much RAM you put in. So if you go to computer and you go to system properties, you want to look on how much RAM you actually have. So here I've got 8 GB of RAM. I'm only going to be using 2, so that's a quarter of my RAM. It all depends, because if you have like 1 GB of RAM installed on your computer, this is probably not best for you. I'd recommend 3 GB is probably the best, because it gives out like enough for you to kind of maximize the performance of Minecraft. So you don't want to be using all of your RAM. So I'm not going to be using 8 because your computer can have a system shutdown, and we don't want that. So if you exit out of that, so in the XMX where all these hashes are, you want to backspace and get rid of the hashes, and I'm going to put 248. And now the XMS is half of it, so 1024. Oh, not 5. So it should, the first part should look like this. Okay, now Minecraft location, we're gonna click on your Minecraft on the desktop. We're gonna go to properties, and this is where it's at. So location, you wanna hit Control C and just click OK on that, and then highlight this and click Control V. Now you're thinking, well, but this won't open. So what you want to do is put a backward slash, and then you want to type minecraft.exe, because Minecraft is an executable file. Now this is what it should look like. So you've got 512, which is 512 megabytes, 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, and the list goes on. So if we get rid of that, now you're done. You're done with the whole coding process and all of that. So I'm going to go to save as. Now make sure it's on the desktop because you need it. Well, you need it on the same file as this. It's just a lot easier. You want to change the save type as all files, and I'm just going to call mine start Minecraft. Now this is the key point. You need to save it as a .bat because this turns it into a run file. And now you're done with the notepad. Now you want to go ahead and double click on this, and it will bring up a command window like this, and it will say c:/user/Joshua/desktop. You won't say Joshua, but it will say your kind of name, and then javaw xmax, like the code that you've just put in, and it will launch your Minecraft launcher. Whatever you do, do not close this, because it will close down your Minecraft launcher. Just to prove that, click X. Being a bit slow. Oh, okay, maybe it doesn't. That's weird. It did last time. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you close that. Actually, I kind of think it does, because if you close it, you're not running the, you're not actually running the code. So yeah, do not close this. Just minimize it, because it won't run the code, and then you won't have your RAM, and then it would just have been a pointless exercise or kind of tutorial for you guys. So we're going to go ahead in single player, and we're just going to create a new world. We're going to call it new world. Just let it build the terrain. Okay, and just let it render in. The beautiful day in Minecraft, and the sheep is hovering. It's like, yeah, I got powers. So we're gonna click F3, and allocated memory, it says there's only 1 gigabyte. Now the bit you want to look at is used memory, because that is the used memory of the 2 gigabytes. It's not exactly 2 gigabytes, it's about 2 gigabytes. Now this will help TNT. I don't know if I enabled, no, I didn't put the cheats on, okay, but it does help lag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, because I did. So give it a thumbs up and comment if there's any problems, and I'm willing to help. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like and subscribe. There'll be more tutorials on the way, and peace.